Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can connect the wire internet connection to your Samsung Smart TV. Okay, first of all you need to have the wire internet that can connect from your router to the TV. For example, if your router far away, you need to have the longer LAN cable. As this one is short, so I connect the short one. On the back of your router you will find some port on here. So this is the input internet and this is the output internet. You will find the number here 1 2 3 4. Okay, so now I connect the number 2 and then connect the other side to the back of the TV. Okay, on the back of the TV you will find the LAN connection here. Now we connect it to the TV and then you will find out the light appear here. Now the number 2 is show the light blinking, and let's see on the TV. Okay, on your TV you will find the network status setting here. You want to set up LAN connection, select yes. Network cable connect, press OK, and we go into the setting, go to connection, network, check the network status, and now you see your TV is connect to the LAN connection and connect to the internet. Okay, and if we go to open network setting, you will see now the TV is connect to the wire internet. Okay, if we select on it, now it's connected successfully. Press OK, and now you can enjoy the TV with the wire internet that provide more speed than you connect only to the wireless. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can connect the wire internet to the Samsung Smart TV 2025 model. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.